I can't describe how amazingly delicious this soup is. In all honesty, I was quite surprised how good it turned out. This is potato and leek soup, starring bacon. The ingredients are super simple. You'll need butter, bacon, potatoes, some cream. I wasn't too sure between coconut cream or cooking cream, some garlic, and leek. Chop up your leek and thoroughly wash it. It has a tendency of hiding dirt in between the leaves, so ensure you wash it fully. Chop up your bacon. I recommend using the fattiest bacon. Then cook your bacon in a non-stick pan so you can get the fat. And that is exactly what we're after. Evidently, I tried cooking the bacon in a normal sofrita and it didn't go too well. Pour in the bacon fat and add some butter. Then add in the leeks and let it cook down. Once the leeks have softened, add in your crushed garlic and let it cook for a minute. Then add in your potatoes. Mix everything up. Then add in beef stock or water, but I highly recommend the stock. Season it with some salt, then add in some thyme and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Let me tell you, the aroma is just, oh my god, so good. Then add in your cream of choice. Makes the soup creamier and has a bit more flavor. Remember to check for seasoning and let it simmer for 2 minutes after adding the cream. Ensure the potatoes are completely soft, then blend everything up. I'm using a hand blender, but you can also use a normal blender. The soup is so good. I don't even know why I had never tried this before. Try it and it will blow your mind and your taste buds. Enjoy! Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it.